Hi, I'm Stephen Fleet, co-writer and director of the short film XY.
My name is JL. I am the co-writer of XY, and I'll also be playing the character of X.
You might have seen my work as visual effects supervisor on the Amazon series The Boys, but XY is something completely different. XY is the story of two people named X and Y.
X is a transgender cam girl just trying to get through the day.
And Y is a lonely convenience store clerk lusting after her.
I feel very lucky to bring an authentic voice to the trans community, which is already a very underrepresented group. Right now, I think there's just a lot of stigma against trans people that is really misinformed and misguided. It would be so wonderful if people walk away from this film learning that trans is beautiful.
A couple years ago when I came out, I was really inspired to make a short film that had something to do with my journey. And around that time, the Club Q shooting had just happened, which was a shooting in a queer club in Colorado. It just kind of clicked with me that there's a real issue with loneliness inside and outside the queer community. And loneliness is something that I'd been dealing with for a long time. I really wanted to understand that more and write a project that maybe helped process these things that we're going through in America right now.
One of our top priorities is to get the best team possible in front of and behind the camera. Almost every department is or will be filled with queer and diverse talent. We are also excited to announce that Eric Kripke, showrunner of The Boys and Supernatural, is our mentor on this project.
We've done a budget breakdown, and the realistic number we're asking for is $100,000.
This money will go to paying fair wages to our cast and crew, but we also want to make sure that we have the best tools for all of our departments in production and in post.
There's no substitute for the creative minds of actual human beings coming together to make great art.
If we do make any profit, we promise to donate 100% of all proceedings to queer-based charities.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.
You can read more about our project and get updates on our GoFundMe page.
We just can't wait to get going and share the journey of making this film with you.